ChatGPT is awesome, no doubt about that. I believe the real power of ChatGPT can be obtained if you use its API in our code base. In this video, I'm going to show you three examples of using ChatGPT's or OpenAI's API in Python to do some prompt engineering. I'll be giving some prompts and some text data to ChatGPT to get trained on, and then I will be asking it some questions. So let's delve right into it. In the first example, all I'm doing is I'm accessing the ChatGPT Model 3.5 Turbo, and then I am giving it a text which is just a free-flowing text with some generic instructions from AWS, which is a cloud provider, to tag its servers. This text I have obtained from AWS website, so it's in public domain. And then in the prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT that when I will give you a text delimited by triple quotes, which as you can see I have done here in triple quotes, then I'm asking ChatGPT to go and read that text, and then if it finds any step-by-step instruction format, then convert into a step-by-step instruction like this. And then if it doesn't find the text in that sequence, then it should be giving me the output, no steps provided. Once it's done that, I'm asking ChatGPT to print the response. So now let's see if ChatGPT is able to do what I'm asking it to do. The Python code, so I'm just simply running my Python on the one prompt. So as you can see, ChatGPT has gone in and has done exactly what I asked it to do. It has taken that free-flowing text and converted into this step-by-step instruction set. So just imagine if you have loads and loads of processes and SOPs or standard operating procedures lying around in your document storage system, you can simply point ChatGPT to that system and ask it to convert all of those processes into proper format as per your organization's requirement. Okay. Now let's have a look at the second example. In second example, let's suppose there is a new employee who has joined an organization and he needs to be orient, orient for that new company. So instead of a dedicated human doing it, let's ask and train ChatGPT to do so. So in this prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT that always answer in the consistent style, and then I'm training it like this. I am giving it as an example company ANZ, which is a big bank in Australia, and then I'm training ChatGPT to obtain the answer to this question by new employee by going to the About Us page of ANZ, and then from that About Us page, extract that info and summarize it, and then give it as an answer. And then I'm asking it a question that, okay, now you have been trained on this, give me an answer on Woolworths. So ChatGPT should be giving me a summary of what Woolworth is on the basis of its publicly available About Us page. Let's run it and see what ChatGPT does here. So I'm again running my Python code. ChatGPT is going online, checking the About Us page of Woolworth, hopefully, as we have trained it. And yes, it has done it. So, and it is also giving us the pointer that if we want more detail, we should go to About Us page. And then here it is giving us a summary of what Woolworths is. And there is no sensitive or secret information here. It's all been obtained from the public website of Woolworth. Cool. Now, let's have a look at the third and final example. In this one, for example, just suppose you need a JavaScript code, but you are not a Java developer and you don't have a Java developer in your organization, or you have some Java code which you want to understand. So you can take help from ChatGPT. In this particular example, what I'm doing is I'm asking ChatGPT to write me a complete code in JavaScript to do this. Let's see what ChatGPT does in this case. I'm running this code now. So just wait for ChatGPT's response. So here is the response. If I scroll up a little, so you can see that ChatGPT has gone in and then produced that Java code. In this Java code, it has given me this console.log, the example usage, and also then it has given me a complete synopsis of this code, that what exactly this code is doing. So you can, I hope, that appreciate the power of ChatGPT, and as you can imagine, that sky's the limit here. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.